This is Sage, who's found her fingers and learning how to self-soothe. Really going to town. And let's check on your brother. Here he is. He's upside down. Hey, Foster. Hey, Foster. What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about? Do you hear your big brother Obi barking? Oh, my. You thinking it's time for a nap already? I think so, too. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.